In previous video, I had described how to create a drop-down list in Excel, static drop-down and dynamic drop-down. But suppose you have two columns like pen set, pencil, desk, and they are having multiple of colors. And if someone selects pen set from the item drop-down, he need not to see the rest of these data from the second drop-down. This is called dependent drop-down list. One drop-down is dependent on the other drop-down list. In this video, I will discuss dependent drop-down list. Welcome to ASPC Excel Guides. Dependent drop-down list can be created using different methods, but I will discuss the easiest method in this tutorial. This data can be arranged in this manner also. Items as column headers and the sub-items like red pen or black pen under this column header. The first step is to name this data range. But before naming the data range, I will select the entire data range like this. You can select one data range, name it, and then select another data range and name it, and so on. But this method will do this in one click. I have already discussed how to name data range in my last video. I will click on the formulas menu, and from define names tab, I will not select the define name button, but I will click on this create from selection button. From this create names from selection window, I will untick the left column checkbox and click OK. Now, if I click on this name box, the three names will be displayed and the names are in the column headers of this data range. If I click on the name manager, it will display the names and the sub items as arrays. Now go back to sheet 1, select the data range, go to data validation, select list. From source, click on this sheet and select the first row. Then click OK. Here is one very important note. Please don't forget to select any data from the drop-down list. Otherwise, the next drop-down will display error. Item drop-down is working fine. Now, we need to create the second drop-down list. Select the next cell, click on the data validation. Select list and in the source input box, use a function. Type equal sign and type indirect. Opening bracket. Now the most important part. You can click this cell, but it will put $sign and will freeze the cell. Therefore, either we can type D3 or we can select the cell and delete the $sign from the row number. Close the bracket, click OK. I will now drag this cell till the end of the data. Test the data. Let's select desk from the drop-down list and then click on the next drop-down. Let's test another. Select pencil from the drop-down list. Two sub-items are displaying. It is OK. This is how we use dependent drop-down list in Excel. There are other methods which I will discuss in another video, but this is the easiest method. Please like and click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get modern Excel tutorial notifications. Thank you for your interest. See you in the next video in another topic.